Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. If you are new here, hi there. I post nail art and nail polish review videos twice every week. So if you are interested in learning or getting inspirations for nail art designs, or you're looking out for nail polish review videos, then do consider subscribing to my channel. And also don't forget to click on that bell icon so you get notified as soon as I post a new video. Let's quickly begin with today's nail art design. In today's video, I'm going to create a very simple and cute daisy flower nail art design, and for that I have painted all my nails in this beautiful blue shade of nail polish. So that's going to be the base for my nail art design. Now I'm going to use a little bit of white nail polish to start off by creating little daisy flowers using the tiniest nail art brush that I had. So it's quite simple. I'm just using small tiny strokes and creating little petals like so by picking up a little polish over my brush and going in a circular motion. I'm just lightly tapping it on the nail surface to leave a tiny little petal over the nail surface. As you can see, it's not as difficult as it seems. It's quite simple to make. So just pick a little polish and tap it over the nail surface. Just make sure you keep going in a circular motion so that you get a round shape of the flower. Also, I make sure to create these flowers randomly at different places over each nail. So that means I'm not going to create the flower at the same point or place on each nail. So just changing the position a little bit over each nail, and also changing the size of each flower as I go along on each nail. So far so easy, nothing difficult, just making little tiny strokes and creating a white daisy flower like so. So I'm going to create these white daisy flowers all on all my nails first, and then I'm going to move on to the next step. So let me just quickly finish this step and then I'll be back with you soon with the next step for this nail art design. Now I have completed by creating the white daisy flowers on all my nails over here, and now I'm going to repeat the same process, but I'm going to use a black nail polish this time to create more daisy flowers like so. And I'm going to use the same technique of picking up a little polish on the tip of my nail art brush and then just tapping it very gently over the nail surface to leave a mark which looks like a flower petal, as you can see over here. I'm going to create a little more flowers on my thumbnail as compared to other nails, because my thumbnail surface is a little more than as compared to my other nail surfaces. So let me just quickly complete creating the black daisy flowers over all my nails, and then I'll come back and show you the next step. Now as you will notice, I am not covering the entire surface with the flowers because I really want the blue base to keep showing up beneath the flowers, as it is a really pretty blue shade and looks so gorgeous with these white and black daisy flowers. So after completing with the creation of the base of these daisy flowers, now I'm going to make little tiny dots using silver and gold polish right in the center of each of my nails. And for that I'm just going to pour a little drop of each of those polishes, and I'll use a dotting tool to create the silver dots in the middle of the white flowers, as silver goes really well with white. But I am going to use the golden nail polish to create dots in the center of my black daisy flowers, as I felt that golden goes really well here with the black daisy flowers. So I'm just quickly going to put a little dot in between each of the black flowers to complete my nail art design. So here's how it looks. as a complete nail design. I'll let it dry off completely, and then I'm going to apply a really good layer of top coat to protect and seal in my design and make it look shinier and glossier. So wasn't that easy? I hope you really enjoyed watching this nail art design and you will recreate this nail art design over your nails. I feel it's a really simple design to create, and so for that reason it is a very beginner friendly nail art design. Also, I really want to mention that even if it is a really effortless and simple design to make, it looks really chic and classy and cute at the same time. And for that reason, I really love sharing these kind of designs because I keep getting requests for simple nail art designs that beginners can make at home without much supplies. So here we are with the final manicure. I'd really love to hear from you. Which color combinations would you like to choose for creating this nail art design? So leave a comment below telling me that, and I'll see you in my next video. Hope you enjoyed watching this video and you got to learn something new from this nail art video. If you have any questions, queries, or any suggestions for my new videos, then do leave them in the comment section below. I'd love to read them and make videos which you people like to watch on my channel. Thank you so much for watching once again, and please do consider subscribing if you haven't subscribed to my channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Stay safe, stay happy. Bye.